Andrew.
And today we're talking about inertia. In order to understand inertia, we first have to understand where it was discovered and who discovered it.
Galileo was the first scientist to first study objects in motion in the early 1600s, but it was Sir Isaac Newton who discovered it as inertia in the early 1700s. Knowing this, we can now learn about inertia and its laws.
Hi, I'm Rick.
And I'm Kevin.
And today we're going to be talking about the properties and laws of inertia.
Inertia's first law is an object in motion stays in motion. An object at rest stays at rest.
Inertia is a property of matter that causes a body to resist changes in its state of motion. It's directly proportional to mass.
The net force acting on an object is the vector sum of all the forces acting on an object.
Like we said before, objects in motion tend to stay in motion. This first law of motion is applied in many everyday life situations.
Inertia is displayed and used in many different ways. Have you ever heard of the unstoppable force in immovable objects?
Inertia is a base science that's used every day from everything such as automobiles and any other sorts of motion, anything else that generates motion. An easy example is the automobile itself. Say you're driving and you let go of the accelerator. The car's just going to keep rolling because the weight and the mass of the vehicle just allows it to keep going while it's on its wheels.
Go.
Take these paintballs, for example. In a perfect world, if the slide went on forever and the paintballs had enough mass with no interfering forces, these paintballs could potentially go on forever.
There are many different types of motion that inertia has an effect on, such as circular motion, uniform circular motion, non-uniform circular motion, pendulum motion, rotational motion, angular motion, Coriolis motion, and centrifugal motion.
Here we have a